Hi, this is Jetton Meador from ProfitBulldog.com, and today I'm going to review the Super Shakedown, which is the newest product coming out to Warrior Plus this weekend. The Super Shakedown is brought to you by partners John Newman and Cynthia Benitez, and they have partnered with Jonas, Lindgren, and Trevor Carr. So let's get into seeing what the Super Shakedown is all about. Right here you see my bonus page. So we are talking about the Super Shakedown. This is the breakthrough blueprint to easy daily commissions. So what is the Super Shakedown all about? The Super Shakedown is your fast track to Rockstar affiliate, wherever you're starting from. In a nutshell, what this is the product creators go through and talk to several super affiliates to see what their secrets are and how they got to super affiliate status. And then they take those into actionable content that you can use. So the front end product is $12.95. They do have some upgrades. The Super Shakedown Pro is $67. The upgrade to the Super Shakedown Done For You is also $67. Upgrade 3 is Steal Our Traffic. So basically you can put a pixel on their sales pages so that you can get access to their traffic. Upgrade 4 is Quadruple Reseller Rights. So sell Super Shakedown as your own product and keep 100% of the commissions across the entire funnel. Then finally we have the Super Shakedown Coaching. And that is a 1-hour Skype or Zoom coaching strategy session. Here are some of my bonuses for you. We have effective content marketing, the Google Display Network hacks, Ninja Facebook advertising, boost your online sales, and Facebook ads. Also, you're going to get the vendors bonus products. You'll see the list there. And again, you just have a few days to get all of these. I can't guarantee that the bonus products will be there if you get it afterwards. Once you buy the front end product for Warrior Plus, underneath the button that says access your purchase, you'll find the bonuses on the blue affiliate button. So notice here we have these yellow click here to secure your copy and bonus buttons. Have them all throughout. So when you click one of those buttons, you'll be taken to the sales page. So again, they'll just go through, give you a lot more information. You have a video here that you can watch that will give you more information. You've all seen a sales page before. But go through the sales page, find their buy button. Here's some more bonuses that you'll get. A buyer's list bonanza, traffic domination Facebook group, the collector, 10 times commissions machine, profit maximizers, and you also have a 30-day money back guarantee. So once you've decided that you want to get this, you can click on the buy button. In this case, get instant access. That is going to, lead you to the purchase. Then the actual product looks like this. This is the back end. So there is quite a bit of training in here. So you have your opening video from John Newman. The main training area, several modules. You have the mindset class, list building for email list building, the launch jacking masterclass, the product launching masterclass, high ticket and recurring back-end masterclass, Jonas Lindgren's Super Affiliate Jedi Secrets, then Cynthia's Affiliate Secrets, and Trevor Carr's Advanced Affiliate Approaches. Here we have several case studies. You've got your conclusion, you have your bonuses, you have unannounced bonuses. This product is packed full of bonuses. And the resources. Then if you miss your upgrades, You can grab them there until they took them down. So notice tons of information. This is just the front end basic product. So when you do the upgrade, get even more training, more videos. So this is kind of a can't miss product. Hope you check it out. Again, this is Jetton Meador with ProfitBulldog.com. Be sure, if you find this video helpful, to click on the like button. Click on subscribe for more reviews and for more Make Money Online tips and video hacks. And we'll see you on the other side.